drones. Now widely available to companies, government officials, and private citizens, do drones pose a threat to your privacy or even your safety? Prison industrial complex. Are too many Americans sent to prison, and are our nation's prisoners being exploited for cheap labor? Islamophobia. Islamophobia. Gender equality. Nuclear power. Nuclear power. Transgender issues. The deficit. The deficit. Fracking. Fracking. War on drugs. War on drugs. Separation of church and state. Separation of church and state. Same-sex marriage. Americans are now free to marry a same-sex partner in all 50 states. Is this a right that should be protected or abolished? Torture. Torture. Overpopulation. With the world's population growing at unprecedented rates, do we have the resources to handle this spike in numbers? Capital punishment. Capital punishment. Campaign finance reform. Some feel having no cap on campaign donations can lead to unfair corporate and private influence over politics, while others feel companies and citizens should be free to donate money as they see fit. Gun control. Defense spending. Nuclear weapons. With more and more countries becoming nuclear capable. Surveillance. The government seems to have more access to our personal lives than ever before. What can we do to ensure our privacy? Childhood obesity. Childhood obesity. Moral decline. Many Americans think our morals as a country are worse than ever. Embryonic stem cell research. Income inequality. Income inequality. Vaccines. Vaccines can help prevent dangerous diseases, but some fear routine shots can cause serious complications. Should vaccines be mandatory for everyone? Animal rights. From ethical concerns over factory farms to issues of animal testing, many Americans feel we should do more to ensure the moral treatment of animals. Corporate influence. Abortion. Abortion. Poaching. Immigration. From the Mexican border to Syrian refugees, what constitutes a fair and ethical United States immigration system? Police brutality. Roughly 23% of police misconduct reports involve the use of excessive force. Green energy. Is investing in solar panels and wind power a pricey waste of time, or something that could create jobs and protect the environment? Bullying. In public schools, colleges, and places of work, citizens remain concerned about various forms of bullying creating a hostile atmosphere. Student loan debt. Half of all people with a bachelor's degree and outstanding student loan debts say their degree was not worth the investment. Should we do more to lessen tuition costs? Terrorism. Is the United States at risk for at-home terrorist attacks, and should the country step up efforts to end terrorism worldwide? Ineffective government. As of 2017, polls indicated public trust in the government was at all-time lows. Should the government work to function more efficiently? Healthcare reform. Do enough Americans have access to quality, affordable healthcare? Racism. Climate change. Affordable housing. In the United States, more than 11 million households spend over half their monthly income on rent. Homelessness. Over 500,000 people in the United States are homeless. What can be done to get people off the streets? Education. From public school curriculum to college tuition, are our children getting the educational opportunities they deserve? Civil rights. Are there equal opportunities for people of all races in the United States? How far do still we need to go to ensure equality? Pollution. The United States is second only to China when it comes to producing greenhouse gas. Should the country do more to lessen its carbon footprint? Poverty.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.